My mother neglect me from when me was a youth. Me never have no childhood days with my mother. My mother neglect me from when I was a youth. All she did was spend her time, and I'm crablet, and I look dick. Me did barely know she.
Welcome back to another work week. It's Monday morning. The morning enough people are like, boy, Monday morning. Boy, me I tell you. Anyway, people, wagwan, boy, me I tell you. Showers from last night right back till before day this morning. It just ease up in the morning, yeah, but me I tell you the place still bleaky, people. Bleaky. The morning just calm, nice and bleaky. You feel a little warmness where you don't know Jamaica, you can't get to that. As me say, no care how much days of rain we get. As the rain ease up within a couple hours, the place just get hot again. Blow, whoa. I know just the place hot right here now, you know. Marcia head hot. Stress. Boy, Marcia, you kind of boy, I don't know. Take me care of Marcia so much time. She sick me stomach, you know, man. Anybody at all, any one of them, me have to carry so much. But you see, this is what them like. Them like to stay relevant. Them like it like this. So you see, no care what, no care simple the thing is sometimes them blow it out of proportion, say things because them know people will come talk. And if you come with foolishness or chat nonsense or something that happen in your life where you are wishing other people, you must expect that people will come talk. You understand? So with your saying what you talk about, are you give them content? Continue to give it content. We don't have a problem. Continue to give it content, man. Because if you feel like you're going to use that and shut me up, especially me not going to shut up. As me say, me will bypass when me feel like bypass, me will not look for me. As me say, every day, the whole I want out here every day. Pan 3, 4, 5, 6 live, 7, all more than that for the day. For hours. And sometimes I even listen on, sometimes I just buy ear and I do like me not ear. Ear, but me not care. You know? But when me see it fit to come out, come talk, me I go talk. So you can always say I provide content. Content is all over in social media. But it's what you wish to talk about. And who you wish to talk about. Anyway, people man say they are stressed out, boy, because you know stress her out. You know stress her out with her son and whatsoever. And you know stress her out by it make them take away her Facebook page. 40,000, you know, like Marcia said she want to reach 100 and can't reach. And now we're not going to make she start over as card into she. Because enough time they come out a concept, them take with them page and I lie them I tell. Them hide the page to create a scene for content. To make it look like when them do that, you know, most time them point them fingers on people, you know, to say XYZ do it. So basically, we don't know if it's true or what, but fear one possible for gone for true, you know, because as what she has said, she have been reported many times for harassment and bullying and all kind of sitting and all for bad words and music and all kind of sitting. And she have been warned. You understand? So she claims to say the page gone, her big page gone over Facebook. And she now go back feet. Them say she will appeal, but she now appeal. Who does that? Who does that? You understand? And you go claim say why you not appeal it because you not make nothing over Facebook. Isn't you the one that said social media money is not what you live off or depend on? So what the heck if you make $1 over there or not? You're not supposed to have a problem making $1 over there or not. But YouTube, you will stay over YouTube. Wait. Come on. And the next thing, why she not appeal it? Out of 40,000 people that is on the page, when she go live, probably she barely get 100 or other 200. So enough of them for go on, enough of them are this, enough of them are that, enough of them are hypocrite, enough of them are hater. But Marcia, that's how you look at it? Why you don't look at it for the decades you're out there that you have said you out here? Most of those people might be deceased. Most of those people might don't bother with social media anymore. Why you don't look at it that way? So most of your people them gone. And remember, most of these people might just follow you because you might see them and say, you can follow me on Facebook, but they are not a Facebook person. And with you doing a live and having 200 persons on your live, that's a lot. Despite, if you sift through that, probably about 5% of it, if so much, is with you anyway. Because you don't know people will come over, come listen what you say because of who you are. Anyway, people, you don't know what to do. We are getting one video with her right here. So now, with all kind of things that she has said, it's Monday morning, a bleaky Monday morning. You don't know what to do. It is so easy. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Me I give that video in the car because I should have talked about the dirty boy in my car. And you don't know, say, this was one of my comfort zone in doing most of my videos because when I do these videos in my car, I am less distracted. You notice when you do the video, them outdoor, every sound you hear, you depend and look. And then most time when you do these videos outdoor, and you tell yourself that people are listening, you don't get to bring out what you want, bring out how you want to carry it out and stuff like that. So when you're in a comfort zone, you know, you can do your thing. Because somebody now watch you and you don't know, it's okay because you don't know. But if me in the yard know somebody over them next door or somebody now and 3 people me, I'll carry on my act doing my video. You know, me kind of quail up a little bit. But if me know say nobody now watch me, I mean, not have it say somebody watch me, me I will just come out and let out. You understand? So, only just do the do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, hit the thumbs up and hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. And the extended part of Life is a Mission TV and TikTok. Please go over there. Follow me over there on TikTok. Like the videos, comment on the videos, and watch the videos. Okay? And you can also share the TikTok page. Also, whole heap of little commentary over there. I see 1 and 2 will come over. I see uno. Big up on yourself. You understand? Just get the page to 1,000 because when we get 1,000, we're going to start go live over there. Alright? Yeah, regular. Me I go live over there. Anyway, I sit down and just feel like say click live because I have the time can click live. I just click live because I don't have nothing to worry about, you know, guideline where music is concerned and stuff like that. You understand? There's guideline, you know, but like the music will affect the YouTube with the copyright and something that not over there like that. Alright? I can't do all now and dance and a video the dance or one party. Yes man, so I'm prepare for that. Alright? And remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy is in the comment section. Give her a subscription. In doing this video, as soon as I drop on 1-1, I think now she want 87 subscribers now. So it's coming down little by little. Me I beg you just get it for the Christmas. So who no subscribe it, just get 1,000 for the subs for the Christmas. Just go subscribe, please and thanks. And the cash app is there, $ Charms and Trend. You know, you give me, I use a gift to give back to the needy. And please remember to go support Charms and Trends. Check out the Instagram page, charm_and_trends on Instagram. Anything you see over there, you can get it customized. Give that special gift to your loved one. Right? Anything you see customized. Just drop in at the DM. DM them for further information. Quick, you get customer service is very good. You get a response from the customer service. And remember, the website is charmsandtrends.shop. Big up. I have to say big up before I go any further. Big up my British supporter. Big up my British supporter. You know yourself. Big up sis. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Greetings time has started. I'm going to make sure I give your greetings from early. Big up my sis from British. Yeah? London, yeah? Anyway. Speak my mind, people. Make her get in a Marcia, because we know they have to stay long in a car. More and go on the road, go deal with some t-shirt in the morning, yeah, before the rain start fall. So, make us see where I go on.
When I come out of it, him know exactly what is going to come the end, or the end come. He them quit, I ain't go spend some time and come out and go out in business.
I make them boy have him down there.
So it's either one, so what we not worry about? Eh? What are you worrying about? You can't worry about people's business. Stop worrying about business.
What if people business you worry
talk
about?
to me, Pitney. Him can call me. He have a video chat. Him having money pan him card to buy anything when
you know, we notice with Marcia. Marcia always going like she stay connected with her son. And it is evident that Marcia don't stay connected with her son. And this is not just now since he becomes an adult. Based on the story that I've heard and I, gathered information and pick sense out of nonsense and turn it in a sense, Marcia has give away this child from a tender age. This child did not grow up around Marcia. Wanna see the start of the video? I wonder if you see the start. Wanna hear him say? Alright. So Marcia always, whenever time trouble come around or CJ name come around, she always pretend like yes, she stay connected with her son. You are not connected with your son. No one again you might call him or him might call you, but you make it look like you have this connection with him. No, that's not how it is. Because if your first grandchild, you don't have this no connection with the first grandchild and you talk about him so much, you're going like you love him endlessly and all these things, and you couldn't afford to give him his first birthday gift from your pocket, you have to be begging it. You can't afford to drive go check him. Not even upon a mountain, you can't even drive over to check him. You understand? The one little time you take him and stay amongst him stay amongst you for a little while. We have not seen that anymore. As a grandmother, we didn't have so much time and idle and a waste can spend with him. Now you're gonna say you're work. Anyway, let's go.
Stop worry about him. All me need to pray a word and me pray for him.
You're praying not strong enough,
pray
man.
And pray out the enemy them we have in Ras mode for me pitney on social media.
You don't need no prayer warrior. You don't need no prayer warrior. All these bad, powerful prayers that you come out here come prayers according to you. When anything happen to people, you say you make it happen because you pray and God not sleep. So you don't need no prayer warrior to help you. Your prayers is enough. No call for no help. No backup around here.
And pray for him. Look at those little boys now. Watch at them now. 13 and 15 year old now. Them all got prison now.
You justify them little boy with your pitney. I pitney them there. Your boy a big man and he has been doing this over years.
He's not homeless and him alright. Him not hungry. Me pitney look like he hungry to you? Eh? Him not hungry. CJ better than uno.
Wow, behind bars?
So you can't stay to worry about somebody better than uno.
Behind bars?
It thinks that just because you have a little
freedom is on most everybody want that. Right. No matter the trial and tribulation out the road. Everybody want freedom.
Him used to it, as no can read the record, him know the rules and regulation and him know exactly what's gonna come out of it.
Wow. You're proud of that, he? You're so proud of that. He knows the rules and regulation and he know what's going to come out of it. Oh, he know the rules and regulation. Did he read the rules of regulation? Or because he oftentimes get himself behind bars? That's what you're saying? Does he read the rules of regulation? Or did his father tell him the rules and regulation because he was or he is close to the system? Or it's because CJ used to be behind bars, he know the rules and regulation. And he continue to do what he does. But you want to compare the little boy them now. We're full of ego and no sense and just grew up in a certain environment where me don't know. These kids nowadays, especially the late 2000 kids, the 90s kids them coming up to 2000. Them growing at a different time. I don't know, technology. I feel like a technology caused this, These kids up grew up in the 90s. A technology caused these things, people. Trust me, in all different shape and form, via the food where most of we are nyam, the processing food that go through this whole technology thing and whatsoever. And when we ask them to see the access where them have to technology for see certain things. These are the things come like it costs these youth to be who them is. So vile. The thinking of them is so vile. They are so, me don't know what to say, but me just see like a technology cost this thing. Yeah. Trust me, man. Me don't see no other generation. Or I should say none of the generation before them. Because Well, you'd have a generation before me, after me. So even the generation after me, we should probably be the late 70s, 80s, pitney them come to like the early 90s pitney, like 92. Me not send me pitney them like them, yeah, man. You check the age group of these kids. The age group of these kids is no more than 26. The youngest, 14, 13. Up to 26. So you just check how long that. These are the kids that out there giving this vast amount of problem in society. And because of some of these careless mothers who just go around and just open them crutches like clothespin. And them just open them crutches, them just left themselves careless. That man can just bust water in them. And bring forth pitney. You understand? Pitney grew up, no food, no parental guidance. Them get carried away by older folks against certain things where them go, they go sit down on corner and learn. Them see man a put a tool, so them want to go for a tool to because what them want to mingle with that tool for proof to them. Yo! Trust me, people. Anyway, let's move on.
Any single man, me Marcia can't touch married man.
Wow.
Any man will come on my house, them not married. That's one rules and regulation.
Yeah, but I say a whole heap of things she are talking. She not stick on one topic because she's stressed bad.
Married man not further look me Connecticut, Jamaica and all over the years and lately. And me tell him say no, me not go with them. A waste of time. Me rather take a chance with a single man.
Stay blessed.
Me not touch married man, so me don't understand how it comes all of a sudden all over years now. Me have married man a come in the house. Who know a picture with me? I can't married man come in the house. They don't have a pussy. They don't move for front. If me a big woman and me want a man come my yard, then how is it relevant to no? Eh? Then I when me went studio. Then when did I rent studio and me a man and landlord throw me out because me can man come in and me the section 8. Then I who the section 8 and welfare to me can man come my yard. That's why me is an independent woman kind of body can't give me rules and regulations.
But Marcia, you know, say me hear you say something in a video one day where one make me to believe that you get some government subsidy for true. When today was Mondays, either Saturday night or Sunday, me I listen to a video with you where you said, I think it was last night, I don't remember when you do the video, but last night me I watched the video. You sit on your table eating and you state that, hey, sit there, you can't stay there watch my table. You can't stay there watch my table. See, let me make sure you go buy some nice table towel feet because you expose the old chippy table, which that table is not your table. You're renting the place to the table, no problem. But the statement you make around the table is that this a table, yeah. As long as me can sit around this table, me can buy anything from $100 up to $3,000. What that supposed to mean? From you can sit around that table. That means the table belongs to the house, you know. Whoever you get the house, the table belongs to the house. You say, as long as you can sit around this table, that's the immediate table that you're around at the time, you can able to buy anything value $100 up to $3,000. So when me hear you say that, you know, one thing come to mind, you know. As well, everybody has said, because I know we can't see a furnished house. I know we can't see no other section of the house but the kitchen. Doing your makeup, putting on your clothes, eating your food, everything you do there. Right? The only conclusion me can come to is what everybody have come to say, yes, whether section 8, 7, 9, 10, 11 or 12, you're depend some section. Government subsidy. So that's why you can't even come out and say you can't buy anything now from $100. Because one time gone, you'd have to consider to pay rent. So you don't have that by your head now for paying a rent. You have the privilege now for all them the money you can spend it. So basically, you pay where you get from where you claim to say you work, probably is $2,000 something dollar. 3,000. Why you stop at 3,000? I'm just saying. So you can spend up to 100 to 3,000. Because why? You don't have no rent to pay. So you depend on some subsidy. Or you live at some people yard. Or whosoever you work for. Probably have that little empty space there and give you for stay. Whenever time you're not on the job. So probably that place is in close proximity to where your client is. People, that's my conclusion. I don't know phone.
You should know my personality from now. Me not take no benefit in America when me can't carry nobody come my yard. Cause me no love God man yard, me love God my own. Me more comfortable than mine. Cause me not trust man. When it come to certain things. A perilous time me living, so me rather man come my yard 10 times. Cause sometimes you got man yard fear them yard not comfortable like yours. Woman
so
always
you
have
comfortable?
everything in pause. You got man yard probably I want to come.
Oi, nobody talk about no comfortable, Marcia. Cause you know we're comfortable. The last place where we see you have look like it comfortable is Chaka Chaka. Chaka Chaka, all kind of cockroaches throw down. All kind of roach and insect run up and down. Puss all over upon bed and all board. Man can lie down in your bed and me then left him full of fur go in yard. The woman I wonder if him work at one zoo. Or him work at vet shop. Cause the amount of puss fur dey upon him. Come on, Marcia, man. You never have no way comfortable as far as me see. In a phone since me come here. So no talk about no way comfortable. Come on.
The man out there I stalk you. I stalk him. You got man here, they don't know if he even set up a little camera where you and him have sex. Later on down the road, you and him break up, it just is a sex video out him have camera. Me not trust nobody.
So something wrong with that?
Me not trust
once in a while, not know out of the way, everybody now have sex.
Me then come right on my own. This technology nowadays, them have camera all over the place. And you don't know the art of man nowadays.
So you have,
Some of them are very
you have
freaky.
interest in doing something out of the way?
Have camera little bit like a pen, and then when you look down, them have you. I that is what I'm used to. Me stick to what me used to.
Marcia, look like she want to do things out of the way, people.
And me have controlled. I must have
So she
control
don't want
over
to get
my life.
caught on camera, bro.
Certain things of me want to do it. So same as how me control certain things. Me want come on my own. Where me can have control over how me see you. Me want your mind.
You just want to dictate.
When me rent studio.
You just want to be
And them
dictator.
show me out. Then that never happened.
Man,
Never
that's
happened in
all.
America yet. From Marcia, can't believe in America 40 blood clotted years. At first, me ever in a problem with landlord. A Connecticut. Never. First.
Oh. But that not match up with what you say at the first part of the statement. It never happened to you for 40 years you live in America and you're parent from you're 18. But now the last part of the statement, you say in Connecticut. You never live in Connecticut all the years. And New York, you move from come to Connecticut. Where else they live before me no know. You understand? But for sure they live in New York before you come to Connecticut. So, me not understand, you confuse me there. So, it never happened yet. And then you're going to say, from you live in Connecticut. So, I say, already they can say name in a renting place. A one eviction cost that. People in America want to tell me, remember me never fly yet and I don't have passport. Is it that one eviction in America can write you off against renting anywhere else? Me no know. Or you have to have multiple eviction. Probably 2, 3, 4, 5. Me no know. Only tell me in a comment. Because what she has said that makes sense, you know. She said the first it ever happened in her 40 years. Then she go back and say, from she live at Connecticut. Connecticut wasn't the only place she lived. So I'm wondering, she is speaking just about Connecticut. Because it have been said that she have been evicted more than one time. How true it is, I don't know.
in my life, I may rent from me 18 years old. Let me
Wanna
make
hear?
sure tell on a pussy all out there.
I know me say so.
So if me never pay my bills and me never responsible, me would in a courthouse with landlord first in my life over 40 years in America. And me a rent from me 18 years old.
Yeah, she
Me
say it again.
never in a no problem.
But here she say in a
Me left
Connecticut.
Tasha house in a 2021 or 22 and come Hartford. All in a corona when them said nobody finna pay rent. And nobody with them rent to in that house was paying any bills but me, Marcia alone. I still give the girl my own from me at 18 years old. What wanna know about me?
Now all the way you
And,
carry out upon social media we are
it's
talking
a
about.
good reason.
How we
Me
carry
telling us
out we are
because the
talking about, you know,
United
so
CT
we know
me
about
end
you
up in
and we
a court
carry
with
out
these
yeah.
people. These people, because they're waiting on United CT to pay out the money. And that's what they did. Them take it to the court so because United CT take long. And with the condition. So what are you talking about? Valid reason. And I stay in that house and I pay the remaining October. Them say, okay, we are going to give you until that time and you pay it something. I mean, you go down a post office.
Marcia, you know, for somebody who love freeness, some find it hard to believe say them say don't pay no rent in a corona. And nobody was paying rent except you giving the woman or the girl, which was whatever you want to classify her as, you alone give her money. Me find that hard to believe. It's not impossible, but me find it hard to believe. Honestly. No, sir. You will have freeness, sir. You no mind Corona come back 5 more times. If you can achieve them the freeness there. Go ahead.
And use my money order. I may approve for that. I may give them my check and send in my check. And then owe me $1,800. I'm supposed to come out October. I say, where is my money? And then call me, ask them, I say, the people them over Woodland Village, say, Marcia, don't move out until I live out your security where they owe me. And me did it, and them never know say me was in there because me I live out my security. And me carry my stuff them and move out. Because me have my plan and put my things them in a storage and in there. I only in there with the furniture them when me don't want.
So what was your plan, Marcia? To buy a condo? What was your plan, Marcia? To buy a house? Because we not seen a plan all now. Because your immediate movements after that was into the Marriott. Was that your plan? Seriously?
Until me move out the 4th of December. When the dirty boy call them. And tell them say me I disturb it, them know because the other people them know say I was there. Because I was in connection with the office. Let me tell you that. So how is it? So me have valid reason. So me never go. You never see me in a court and that and me a call down on the courthouse no longer than today. Cause 1 year past now, my name supposed to come out of the system according to my attorney.
Wow.
Case alone. Where the bumbo clock no
According to my attorney.
Hey. My chip, my pitney.
Who can't have attorney or
but?
but?
My pitney look like say my staff too, no? What I mean say must say hungry and starving. Hungry and starving where? Hungry and starving where? And food always time in father house.
So I'm to your house. Everything a
Hungry
father. Everything a father.
That CJ not even name regular food. I pay fast food CJ name. Hungry where?
Hold on. Oh boy, there you go again. CJ don't even name regular food. I be a fast food him name. So what is fast food? Fast food is regular food. It's just that it is junk food. So what she mean? You want to tell me now, me head hurt me now. Me can't bother with this. Me can't bother with Marcia. Me can't do this no more. Me can't do it no more, man. CJ don't eat regular food. I be a fast food him eat. So what is fast food? And regular food? Me don't know. Don't tell me. Me don't know. Marcia, what you mean CJ don't eat regular food and be a fast food him eat? So what is fast food? How many Rasta Johnnies?
And his daddy working? Hungry where? What kind of liberty you come here talking about? You don't know nothing about my picnic more than where idiot people are calling and fabricate stories? What you mean say me must go sell sheets and me go look after my picnic and get him out of jail? So why me couldn't not get him out? Go get him out now.
A lot of people and
Go pass the law,
parents.
rules and regulation of South Carolina law and go get him out then.
You know, always a talk big same
Go get him
father,
out.
this and him father, that same father can help him.
Go and go get him out. Go get him money and go get him out. Go on now. Since that's in the
Him
so-called
father
concern,
can break the rules and get him out.
go get him out.
He's connected to the system.
Bullshit.
Remember you said his father connected to the
Right
system.
out of order, out of order. Take on the mouth off of people's business. Take on the mouth off of my boy. Him don't need no help from none of the blog out here. Una don't need to take, una don't need
Sure
to
me
mention
never
him
did that
name
offer
at all.
any.
Neither do I.
Me sure me never did that offer none. Mad?
What concern is on if me working out, me a work and me a sell on a two order? After me not beg on nothing. One of my
But when you stop beg?
outfit can pay what some of no whole entire rent.
How many Rasta this? What you say?
Me not ask you know.
I saw rent cheaper for rent, cause I
One
can't
of
Jamaica
my
cannot talk.
outfit when me wear on a daily basis at the present moment can pay on the Ross bills for the month of Jamaica. Or wherever on
Jamaica, how you get that from? Eh? How are they Rasta? I will inform you of things, Marcia. Marcia, how Jamaica keep you up to date, Marcia? Because you have not been here for what, 2 years? Yes, you say you have not been here for over 2 years. So who keep you up to date, Marcia? Who give you misinformation, Marcia? Who mislead you, Marcia? Marcia, not even shackle rent right now. Shackle. Some little boardhouse where when you look, you have to use electricity, lighting, because once a day, light does a shine in. If I even night and the moon bright, you know why the moon are there somewhere over here in the area where you can shackle there. You don't need light. Because the whole house light up. You know the reason why? The board them have space where you can stay here and look all in the house. Not even them they rent for $3,000 no more. The oldest a house right now at 10,000 a man 1 feet. The oldest a house right now at 10,000 a man 1 feet. I mean I talk about board house, you know, I talk about concrete structure. We're going to make up out of all pallet board. You don't know what is pallet board? Pallet board are the board them are like, you know, these industrial place and commercial place. When them like when you go to war, you see them ship things on the pallet them. Yes. Box and barrels, yes. Then they will call pallet. Man buy them a road and use what you call it sitting there claw bar and pull them down and take them at board house. Not even them that rent for 10,000. And none of you dress them. 10,000 Jamaican is like, let me see, call it what? Call it $70 US. And nothing where you wear, no value $70 US. All you come and talk where you can't afford to buy expensive things now. And you stop buy cheap things. And insane, so quick you run, go back and buy a $50 a week. As according to you, it value $50. And that the week look like the regular $25 and $30 a week where you don't normally buy. But you claim to say you dropped from 250 human hair and gone back in a $50 synthetic wig. When you say you're done with them, they're sitting there. So now come out and come talk that like you embarrass people in Jamaica. Any man that give nobody rent now for $3,000, a free man live and him just a contribute to probably water. A water contribution that in a Jamaica. So when you come and talk about, you the out of yourself, your face, you know, so you know one know where Jamaica and you know have no way. Everybody will if you go foreign, especially you, people like you claim to say you have whole upon land. I try to put something upon the land. You don't put nothing upon the land. I'm not planning to put nothing upon the land, but guess what? You can't afford to because the land is not yours. You are trying to own people things in a life. When you get the opportunity to own your own, you end up want to own people things what is not even your blood relative. They are not your biological relative. They are just like, you know, they're called adopted relative. Where? And that you want to live off of people things? God bless the man that has his own. Not the sweet like your own. No boy can't get in a chat. No girl can't get in a chat.
Me not ask you know. If you change out that Ross.
What for you say, man?
CJ. CJ is a born American. Born American.
You come and tell lie upon the two little sweater
And
dress
for
them where you
CJ
buy
got
for
them
value
place
that and the
CJ
people them say no
CJ
value so
when a
much.
person go
Lie.
him know the law, rules and regulation. He will be out when him need to be out.
Born American.
And whatever
Him
him
shouldn't
do,
go to
if
prison.
him have to serve time, feed him serve time and learn the lesson and come out, he won't do it
Cause
again.
the prisoner make for
You
born
will abide by the
American.
rules
Kind
and
of feel
regulation.
so.
That's all. We're not concerned about it. You must go find something else to blood clot blog about. Stop blogging about me, Pitney.
So when you blog about other people's business, you couldn't find something else to blog about.
Whosoever will may come. Let me make it clear. I do not need
Whosoever
to sell no
will may come.
blood clot sheet out here.
Take the money before you lie down. Whosoever will be come. Marcia not take no money before she lie down. She just a lie down for free and a take dicky. Lie down for free and take dicky. Whosoever will make come. Marcia, you have to take money before you lie down.
Because God bless me. So I have to come out here, come beg, come holler at you know, buy sheet and buy curtain and buy
Ah, God have mercy.
The sun is a winter come, me not go have nowhere to live, and me not go have nothing. Where God put me, so what happened? Una mad because God bless me, and me do have to come out here and sell that thing.
Why well, God name easy to call, sir?
I must say, can't believe I have to come out here and sell one rush.
So what 3 letters spell God?
Unless I am not working.
Easy
and I'm not
call.
coming out here to push nothing. I am working and I don't need to sell one thing. And I'm not going out of my way to drive 6 hours worth of driving to go pick up a box of sheet. To go sell. When me not make no money offer. Me a Santa Claus.
You're a clown.
Me a Santa Claus to go drive, to go pick up 2 set of sheets. To go sell somebody 2 sheets.
You're not Santa Claus, you're a clown.
And then what happened? Me no make no profit from it. $5 a profit.
A 4 year now you do this and add, you know.
You go sell sheet and go come back and sell sheet for $25 and you spend buy one bumper cloth box for $7-8 to ship it in. Where is the bumper cloth profit?
Every day you ball about this and still doing it.
Me and a blood clot fool no more. If I'm not getting 1 10-15 sale, me not got no market. Me must go drive 6 hours back and forth and come back and not eat your pressure myself. So I'm letting anyone I want to know, don't worry about me and don't worry about CJ. So if no one come out here, come advertise,
alright.
no problem, God will bless me.
She clean every day. CJ they are road and him no they are no jail.
I know she
alright.
Time for the past few years. Nobody buy sheet in the winter. Nobody support me in the winter. And the grace of God make me make it through the winter year time.
Marcia, bad man support boy.
So now come tell me
she have acknowledge that she must have her business. You know you listen.
A year time.
Listen, never acknowledge.
How much sheet and curtain am I buy?
So our behavior and social media
and
run customers.
The way me come out here and speak, me already done damage myself already. If people did really want to shop with me. That's number 1. Number 2, the people
acknowledge.
Set them crosses, trials and tribulation for my business by speaking negative and working witchcraft. You understand? So let me make it clear. Nobody don't buy nothing in the winter time. The same people who shop in the summer and them same one come buy in the winter. And them same one to come support me. 1 and 2 people. And the mercy of God make me survive in the winter time with my bills.
I just say mercy of God. Mercy of God.
In my video. And if I even mention it, maybe not mention it often, but me mention it. So we tell me about what to go sell sheet.
Oh no, where Marcia I got you. I just the mercy of God. Mercy of God.
Nobody no buy no in a winter. That is how my business go. Nobody buy nothing in winter. That's why God prepare a table for me. That I don't have to come out here and come fuss myself. In a winter, I said, no, I'm going to make you free like a bird. And make sure so me provide for you. So them don't have nothing over you. So now that me come out here, me not advertise shit is a problem. When you not already done put on my business.
You just admit say you do
When you
it.
not already done come out here and provoke me.
You're one
For me
blame people.
behave like a hooligan.
You blame people for your
So people can turn
downfall.
against my business. I wanna damage goods already. That's why I'm glad Facebook take away the page. You understand? That's why me glad to them suspend the page. Because I'm sick and tired of it right now. I'm tell you the truth, I'm fed up. Una notice that una say Marcia can't have a page no more. Can't pay Facebook because I know they report me without a cussing when me I go out with for the past 2 days with CJ. And them suspend it and take it away. And them tell me say me must come appeal and me not appeal it. Make
Why?
it go on. I ain't peeling nothing.
Why? Because it not give you no money, as what you say. But you
Make
say
it go on.
you don't
40
depend
and
on
make it go
social
on.
media
I don't
money.
care.
So what you worry about?
I may soon come off of YouTube too. I'm gonna see what content you know get because I wanna feel
When
like
that?
say me need YouTube and Facebook to survive. All me I
And
get
when you
out
gonna
here
do that,
pay
Marcia?
disrespect. Pay disrespect. Over YouTube, over Facebook. So let me make it clear. So non Facebook take it, uno go rejoice now. Cause see if you go up on Marcia camera page and I see it and I
Who
don't
see
care.
Marcia stepping
And
away
them
from
say me
social
have
media
punch that
anytime
him, they
soon?
appeal and me not appeal nothing. Make it go on.
Why
All
not?
things must pass away.
Which
Me
part you
start
can
one
step away
brand new
from social
page.
media?
Me want brand new people because I will put hypocrite people there on my page when me not want. I will put people there on my page 40,000 when you log on, not even 10, not even 200 that come on good.
And you're a big
Bullshit.
star, you're a
What am I losing
superstar.
out there? Nothing. That the page already damaged. The amount of
Tyler Perry
violation
aspirant.
with music and cussing and the amount of something when me having at that. That's why them could have suspended. The amount of violation wanna put me through. When me have with bullying and harassment. Tons of them. And Facebook is very unfair. Because the people who provoke me, them now get them page take away.
Yes,
And
man, I
get it
said them
violated.
unfair. True.
Eh?
Who you too?
But me who come out and I defend myself
Kukuno
against the
muno.
bully and the harassment, them have them page upside way. So I don't give one Ross.
But the people that will come out here, them are different people where you are got. So the same for the same. You don't realize and recognize that you are going against people. Eh? But now people come at you. You have a problem with that. You're going against people also. You're fasting at people's business. Fasting at business when it concern you. Not one bit. It not have people business where you're fasting and have nothing to do with you. It not have no ties to you, none at all. It not even ties over the diaspora at times. But now when the same thing I reach you, you cry out. You a baby man? You want a dribbler? You want a soda? Or is a nipple back you want? Oh, you want one step in your mouth? You want some milk? Oh, what put one in your mouth? Don't worry.
Chilling over there. And I'm money making time now. Me now make $1 over there.
Money making time. So I just know money
They
making
will learn
time.
to appreciate
Oh,
me.
so you're broke now. Oh.
And who me is. Let's see how they more get content to come from. If join me over Facebook and me now know how me no screen record not put over here. So make everything turn right, yeah.
Cause you the money I
Me
make.
tired for jumpy from page to page.
You are sure paycheck there. Although she pretend, right? That's how they paycheck there. You too.
People. Eh?
No make you
it
fool
scale.
on
Now you know what?
Right, that's right there. Nowhere else.
Now you know what? Yes, me take out my friend page and select people, friends only. Eh? Who I wanna make me a cuss like a ghetto? You expect? What kind of sale? If anybody will buy from you, the same people we have dozens on my sheet already. Who is the same people we are called me for order from you? People are all orders, are people who steal order from me. How do you expect after when you come out here and make me behave like a hooligan and put on my business, who is going to come and shop with me? Who is going to come and shop with me? Realistic talk. Who is going to shop with me with my
talk.
behavior
When you find out
and
this,
with the words that come out of my mouth? Who is going to come and shop with me as a business person?
All the ears, even your own supporters are telling you this. You shut them down. You block them. You cuss them out. Your own supporters, people who you recognize that on your page on a nightly basic, daily basic, who supports you, people that you can identify that buy stuff from you, where you can go in your email, your phone and see them. You shut them down, you block them, you cuss them out. When them say things like this to your Marcia, leave them alone. This not good for your business. Why you don't go tell them this? We don't put up with it. No, come here, come to me. And now you just find out this and you want to blame others for it. So now if you drop on the sword before you realize that the sword is dangerous.
Only real supporters. The same people we are called for sheet, the same people we order from me already. And 4 sheet can't pay my bills. So I'm making it clear. You all don't need to worry about me. Warehouse, 2 something full. And they were at the house and the attic and stuff like that and box.
$20,000 worth of garbage.
And vase and vase and painting and
$20,000 worth of garbage are in the storage.
Over Woodland Village, 1 room were filled with merchandise. Them never sell off. So me have those same way.
But she have almost $20,000 worth of storage. Goods in a storage.
Big sale.
Your garbage.
And sell them out. And whatever me can sell, me donate them to Goodwill. And cut the losses and done. And me take my time and put them out on my website little by little and sell them off a little bit or nothing. Because me not go drive around and sell nothing.
Hey, work I pay too much money now to pass that stage there.
Me have this job, me can't do them no work there. Me can't drive and something because this job is fully committed. Fully committed. I have to be present at all times.
Hold on. I'll be a contradiction. I go. Hold on, Marcia, man. But I'll be a contradict right here, so now. Last night, I think in the same video when we talk about earlier where you contradict yourself, you come again and say the same thing. Now you, you mean, your job is fully 24 hours. And at the same time, you say you don't have to go work if you don't have to go work, if you don't want to go work. So, no, fully committed. And you have to present 24 hours. And it's just less than 24 hours you tell with otherwise. Say, you're not half of it. And you still get your pay. No money now take out of your pay. And you don't have to be there. And if you want, you can just call somebody and tell them, oh, you're not coming in. Like, it's a boss thing. You can tell the person, say, oh, you have to work today or you have to stay on because I am not coming in. So, oh, no, you're talking about... But Papa Jesus, every time Marcia talk, she contradicts herself. You only prove that he's a liar, Marcia. You just talk things for content. And then you claim to say you say it because you want to give us things to run with. But most of the time, it's just content you talk it for because you know when you talk crap, we're going to come out come talk. And then you remember what you say, and you flip the other side another day and talk something else. Jesus Christ, people, best upon yourself. Me I try run go up on the road. Me I say me can upload a video before I go up on the road. Because I don't know what time I might come back. Because I say the place bleaky. If you don't look. Just look through the windscreen. You barely get little clear sky. Whole place bleaky. I know the rain is going to fall before 1 o'clock. I don't want the outer road. I don't like the outer road when it fall. Like that my yard. Rest my car low. And then your road there, the water you have to go through, you need boat. I want to have a park up now with your hours when I don't know rain is going to stop. When the rain is going to stop. You understand? Yes. So, want to bless upon yourself. Keep safe in the Monday, yeah? And remember, don't eat no Sunday, Monday, and the people them work. It will go on the nigga right and make you want to sleep. Eat it after on the left work. So, you don't have enough time for sleep. Tonight, into Tuesday morning, get up, be all fresh and revive on yourself if you go to the work. Them time that the Sunday, Monday, we're out town. You don't know what they do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up and hit the video. And please to watch the ads. It is so easy. It not costing $1. And remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy is in the comment section. Give her a subscription, please and thanks. It's a more slow, but me see it like we don't want gear the 1,000 now, because it don't want 87 now. And over last week it want 107 and now it want 87. So them gain that over 20 subscribers in a short space of time. Me like that. Continue. It can work, people. It can work. Let's do it. Give them the 1,000. Who not subscribe to Life with Gabby and Chevy yet? The link of the YouTube channel is in my comment section pin. Give her a subscription. And remember, $ Charms and Trends. The Cash App is there. If you don't have Cash App and you don't have Zelle, you can link me 876-221-9789. Alright? And remember, follow my backup channel if you're not subscribed yet. Life is a Mission TV. That's my backup channel. Different type of thing going over there. And also, the extended part of that channel is on TikTok. You know what I miss over there, so? When me I run me mouth. When me now really do over here, so. And over there, you know want to go. Alright? Remember, follow me over TikTok also. Like the videos and comment on the videos then. And make me know, say, most time when you come over, just say One Nation. Because I might not remember all on the name. As well, you can probably have a different username over TikTok where me don't know. Like, oh, you don't have a username over YouTube, I know it. So you just comment One Nation. So I know say, yes, I want to do One Nation over here. So, alright? Big up on yourself. Thanks for watching. I'm out. Later, I don't know if I can go to another video later, but bless up on yourself. If one come, it come. If it not come, tomorrow. Later.